ayibona ukwenzeka masincede nabantu akwethu babhidele nomcimbi apha wokutshintshwa kwesibongo. Kona kuyinyani because nami anihalela ukubaba ukuthiwa ifana yami ndingumchuno, isiduko ndingumacingwane, kuthiwa ifana yami ndingusibiya, isiduko ndingusotobe. Ngalo mzuzu hayi andiwishi. Okay, mamelani ke ithi inono yethu yena uvumile mosukwazana noKate Matlala, wathi but had he knew inhlobo yomuntu akanguye, he wouldn't have associated himself naye. Wathi as a result after vile uzikhiphile kuye, akafani nomchunu othe ngokusekesiva kunobungozi kulo Kate, still wagqobhoza highest maximum prison wafuna ukuyo access affidavit kaKate Matlala. As a result noMalema uke wamscrutinize, uJulius Malema uke wamscrutinize wamgrilla umchunu indoba uye still after sokuthethwe zonke izinto esezithethiwe uba uMatlala associated nokubulala, uMatlala associated nobugula, ukuthi wena wanesibindi soba uye ku maximum prison uyo accessana neaffidavit phansi kwezinto zakho. iMinister of Police usafuna ukuzidefenda because ifile yakhe mos umuntu yi-defense, ukuzidefenda yakhe indlela yakhe ukuzidefenda. So still futhi afuna ukuzidefenda wena ngeaffidavit evela kuKate. So uchile uNunu yethu wathi yena uzikhiphile kwinto nokwenza noNondo. Andisho futhi umsula singalibali kwaye novumile naye unoba kunezakhe naye yena ubani uNunu yethu. Okay fine. Bafethu iNunu Berry yethu isivezele into yoba uSibiya uke wafuna ukuhlohla umoya ombi kuKate Matlala. uKate uke wafika nento kuNunu Berry ethi maba andithi mos mhla beye amaphoyisa beye nge6 kaDisemba beye kwaKate, kwake kwavela into ba baye batshontsha netshontsha, bayatshontshiswa ke shema amaphoyisa wethu yazi. Sometimes yes bake bayibe khona lonto leyo, but nje ikhona lo mkhuba uba batshontshiswe. So uSibiya uke wafika nalo mkhuba lo into ba makabhale iKate, makabhale iaffidavit ethi batshontshe oRolex watch nani nani, waze watsho yena uKate ngomlomo wakhe into ba ayikho lonto leyo, azange bamtshontshele ama Rolex watch. Ukuthi bafuna ukuthini, bafuna ukuthi uKhumalo azobekwa icala. Uyithethile lonto le iNunu Berry. Bafethu mosi usifikele namagama ngoku bese senior councillor sizobabiza senior councillor sesisathi ngoSC. Hayi ke uMary Dihas sesimbiza uAunt Mary. Ubaba khona uAunt Mary apha kwi-comment section zethu usixolele. Hayi kuthiwa uMary Dihas singasathi Mary Dihas sithi Aunt Mary. Ene ibhlungu into yakhe because une-influence mos nakwi-media, une-access nakwi-media. Sizayithini indaba ye-media bafethu because sidepende kuyo to be well informed. Sizabathemba njani because sesibonile sivile mos babathetha amanga, sazibonele babathetha amanga. Even nangoku sizibukelele mos i-ad hoc committee, sizibukelele iMadlanga Commission, but still basinikeza lento efunwa ngabo. Even i-captions zabo indlela babhala ngayo uyayibona inako ukumisleada okuthizeni. Sizayithini indaba yabo because idepende kubo. Sizabakholwa njani into abazayibhala ngoku because sesibonile into ba basebenzisana nemigila mkhuba, basixelela amanga, basixelela lento efunwa into ba imigila mkhuba siyive thina. Asiqali kuba aware uba imedia i-captured yona. Zininzi indlela ebesike saba aware ngazo. So sizayithini indaba yemedia? Ofa masibe yimedia ngokwethu uba umuntu ukulonda wakakuyo abona into yenzakala, thatha ifoni ushoot. Bathi besixokisela usibe sesikhona sesiyazi nyana. Let's rely on ourselves guys. Wherever you are, if ubona into yazi iba lena izakwenza breaking news, take your phone, take pictures, take videos, share them so that whatever they say sikwazi ukuthi sibone ukuthi icontradictana nenyani. Asabathembi ke ngoku. Sizangayibukeli kwalo TV yabo uba ngaba bazabana lamanga banawo. Asisakwazi basithi sizakhomba certain publishers, sithi certain journalists, sesizathi media. Okay. Phansi komcimbi weNunu Berry. Bafethu iNunu Berry ichilo yathi uGeneral Mkhwanazi uke wathatha iSpecial Task Force sangu number 4 on my previous video bengithe continent ngizama ukusho in Africa ndafuna ukuyi-extend uba number 4 in the world, but I'm not sure what happened to that. But we were number 4 in the world. Kwafika uPierre wasenza unamba mqonzo. Indaba ye-SANDF bafethu andiyazi into yoba izathwane, because we can see uba intentionally bayibulala. Bayibulala lento yoba singazuba nendlela yokuzivikela, because simane sisiva kuthiwa i-Israel iyangena. And siyabazi nosuba akusingabantu abayana xa sebefuna into abayifunayo bazayithatha ngendlela yabo. What are we going to do with that? Because it's dependent emasojeni. Phofu kwamasoja lawo aphinde athi xa wetrainiwe athathwe imigila mkhulu into yoba mabayodefendana nabo. Ininzi into ethethwe nguGeneral Cele, which is also an eye-opening. But one thing we can confirm is that he has collaborated allegations, as they say in media, zika General Mkhwanazi. Eschilo wathi noba ngathetha thini ngaye, he's a good cop. Singayilibali leyo. Simthulela umnqwazi uGeneral Mkhwanazi. As a result, noba bangafika bathi uGeneral Mkhwanazi wenzeni akenzangani, siyamxolela in advance.
I remember one police officer I like is Mkhwanazi. Not because he's Mkhwanazi, not because he's beautiful or what, no. Because he knows his work.